Okay, so let's try this, something a little different here. So here's the exterior structure on Clark. So why don't we start off with this? So we can ramp this out here and tie it a little bit back into this area, right through here, and then come back up. I'm assuming that's about 36 inches probably there, so about a 36 inch, 42 inch. Kind of ramp it off. We'll tie it in down here, tie it in back in here. I'd like to grind, see if we can get up here. I'd like to grind this down a little bit, not all the way, but I'd like to grind that down to reduce the elevation a little bit because you come up and you're a little bit high. I'd like to be able to tie this ramp softly in here. And I think this is where you're talking about the flashing going straight up in here. So we're going to patch. See if we can get back. I don't know if we can get back over in that area, can we? No, we can't. So we can definitely show it. So we'll patch up in here, behind in here, just make this kind of a real solid material back and through here, then patch in here. Make sure that this is all clean, but again, try to grind this down just a little bit to reduce that profile. And then same thing down here. You can see it's all broken out. I want to get into, I'll hammer all this out, patch that, going into the corner here, patch all through here. Then you're going to bring your flashing down again on that side. So that's kind of a real simple overview of what we got. And then what we'll do is we'll skim all this out in here. So it's a nice kind of a broom finish or just some kind of a nice hard trowel finish back in here. And then we'll seal it. Or we could put a light color in it, nothing in, and it would be an integral color that would be built into the material, not something that I would roll on as like a stain on the outside, a topical stain. We'd want to build the color right into that and then put a clear sealer on it, something kind of almost like a matte finish or a satin, something really dumbed down. We don't want it to stand out and apart away from the rest of the concrete. Kind of want to tie all that together. So that's where we sit in a nutshell. So